I'm not exactly sure what these are, but I suspect it's got to do with putting the canastas, putting on the foundation. Maybe to keep them off the ground or something. I don't know. We'll find out later. I don't exactly understand what they are. I don't understand what Meister is telling me. So as explained, these are going to be like foundation for the foundation for the canastas, so that when they pour the concrete doesn't push the rebar down. It's like baking concrete cupcakes. More cement and block. Hopefully that machine won't break down this time. No machines, all by hand.
En la L con la emergencia, pues yo bajo con la L. Yo no bajo con la L.
Pues yo le agradezco que
Subo con la L, pues.
Yo le agradezco que me invitó. Pero no me lo doy para allá.
Ahora después que te llegó allá. De Ribesa sube esa guagua. De Ribesa. Ya, de tipo de carro que ponchan en la allá. No, cualquier carrito baja. De Ribesa sube. Todo está en el chofer. No hay que ponerle la L a la subida de la guagua, ¿está bueno?
Mire, yo vi una guagua nueva subiendo una subida para allá, camino a un calito.
¿Cuál es la otra?
Tienen que darle para atrás y buscar un sitio para dar la vuelta de Ribesa porque subieron.
Para que los choferes le cogen miedo.
No, si yo metí el casco me voy.
Ahora pero no se 10,
First column support, rebar is in.
Va, levante, suéltemela a mí.
Put another column in place.
Espérate, Lilo, espérate.
No la baje abajo, no la deje bajar abajo. No la tengo metida, ¿no?
Sí, no. Está montando y no me ha cachado una parrilla de eso.
We're tying it up. Gonna make sure it's square. Making sure it's square with the plumb bob. Some wood arrived for forms. I think this is to make the roof of the cisterns. Bunch more columns put in. And these guys are down putting in the cement plugs to raise the bottom part of the foundation off the floor to make sure concrete gets on around. That's what I thought they were going to do with those things. Well, they've got the first part of forms for the tops of the cisterns. I told them I wanted access ports big enough to put a ladder down in there in case we need to. Looks like they ran out of plugs to hold the rebar up off the ground. So taking some of the old concrete blocks and chopping them up and putting it under the rebar now. Good use for the blocks that didn't make the cut. A little bit hard footing right there, difficult footing. They've got these columns right where they want them, and they're pretty substantial. So this one's going to be part of a roof support. Higher than I thought it was going to be. Didn't seem that long ago when this is just an empty lot. And I can remember the groundbreaking. It's Thursday morning. Today's supposed to be concrete day. I thought there'd be a truck here, but there's not. They're still putting in some rebar. These will go in the block. Got a bunch of columns up. The column is the first real indication of the approximate height of the house. That'll be support column for the roof.